nothing. I need a lake, a little bit of faith. I'd even take a creek. I'm tired of all these concrete streets we were running down. Yeah, what I need right now is some writing and some reeling. First kid's feeling, praying to the man for some muddy water healing. Don't need no sad songs on my radio.